Unlocking secrets, Space Quest 1 cheat codes. Space Quest 1, a graphic adventure game developed by Sierra Online, holds a special place in gaming history. Released in 1986 for DOS, Amiga, and Apple devices, it marked the beginning of a beloved franchise known for its comedic tone and hapless janitor protagonist Roger Wilco. The game starts with Roger Wilco, a janitor aboard the spaceship Arcata, who becomes an unlikely hero. After a nap in the broom closet, he awakens to find hostile Sarians attacking and stealing the star generator, an experimental device. Roger must escape the Arcata and embark on a galaxy-spanning quest to thwart the Sarians' destructive plans. Typical of graphic adventure games of its time, Space Quest 1 features a text interface for commands. Players control Roger through typing and interacting with the environment. The journey takes Roger to a desert planet and an alien vessel. Here are the main characters for Space Quest 1. Roger Wilco, the reluctant hero and janitor thrust into a cosmic struggle. Sludge Vohal, the ruthless ruler of the Sarians, a mad scientist seeking revenge. C.H. Denarian, sales bug, an insectoid alien involved in business transactions with Roger. Tiny, a lizard-like salesman offering used spaceships for Roger's missions. Space Quest 1 initiated a series with several sequels: Space Quest 1, The Sarian Encounter, Space Quest 2, Vohal's Revenge, Space Quest 3, The Pirates of Pestilon, Space Quest 4, Roger Wilco and the Time Reverse, Space Quest 5, Roger Wilco, The Next Mutation, and Space Quest 6, Roger Wilco and the Spinal Frontier. Though lacking formal cheat codes, the game offers an extensive debug menu activated by holding Alt and pressing D. Some useful debug codes include teleportation to specific locations, obtaining items, displaying flags, and manipulating variables. Here's a set of cheat codes for Space Quest 1 that can help you get through the game. Space Quest 1's enduring charm lies in its lighthearted narrative, memorable characters, and nostalgic joy it brings to fans.